Hi, it's Venus here from the creative team, and I'm here to answer your most frequently asked questions. Today's topic is FabFitFun perks. So you hear us say all the time that FabFitFun is more than just a box, so you might be wondering what that means. No worries, I got you. I'm gonna let you know. We're all about living your best life, which is why we have FabFitFun TV. FFFTV is on our website, and it has a library with tons of exclusive content made with you in mind. There are videos explaining how to get the most out of all your box products, and we have also partnered with the best fitness experts to bring you a whole range of fun workout videos. We've got recipe demonstration, DIYs, it's all there for you whenever you want. And while you're on the website, check out the FabFitFun community, which has message board for topics like box spoilers, your favorite TV shows, and even people who just really love face masks. You can meet members from all over the world, and don't forget to check out our clubs like Cooking Club, Reality Realness, and Book Club, where we get inside info from the author every season. So many of our partners give our members exclusive offers so they can stock up and save. Our box is meant to help you discover your new favorite products, and you might even become obsessed. I definitely know I have. So let us know in the comments what's your favorite perk, and also let us know if you have any more questions. We want you to get the most out of your FabFitFun membership. See you next time!